Namaste, welcome to the demonstration of our project Zero Regression Rust. In this project, we put the real upstream behavior of scraping of Python price-parser library into price-parser areas project. In this project, we add Rust type safety, exact decimal handling, fuzzing, benchmarking, and CI progression protection. The hard part was proving that the new ROS version worked exactly like the old Python one. So I ran both on the same test and checked every single output with the help of given script. Here we built a big test set of 1191 real world example. Out of those, 134 were known failure even in the original Python code. So we set those aside. That left 1057 cases where Rust had to match Python exactly. We compare everything: amounts, currency symbol, return out text, and missing values. And Ross matches Python perfectly on all 1057 required tests with zero mismatches. Once everything matched, I went further. I added random input tests to check that the Rust parser handles any weight text, gives number accuracy, and follows all settings no matter what you throw at it. Also set up three extra push testing tools to hammer the normal parser, its setting, and the API output for any hidden bugs. We built separate speed testing tools for Rust and Python, both using the same 1057 case test set. Instead of touting a general speed game, we ran them to see where each person actually spent its time. The biggest drag is currency extraction, especially when the parser has to scan thoroughly for a currency symbol and fails to find one. That's where we can make the biggest gains. On the other hand, rejects catching works fine, and the manual logic we wrote to replace unsupported Python look around is not the main culprit. We have automated check for code style, warning, compilation, test data integrity, and full behavioral parity. There's also a separate manual release check that verifies the final build and package without actually publishing anything. The final product is well documented, thoroughly tested, and publicly released ROS library. You can find version 0.1.0 on GitHub and crates.io. It passes all 1057 required tests from the original Python code without any error.